What's up, everybody? It's Kaya Williams from the Aspen Times in the Snowman Sun. I'm taking over the drop-in with a whole bunch of uphillers! It's a full moon tonight. It's beautiful Monday night on Tiehack. Taking over for Rose and Kelsey. They'll be back on Friday with an X Games preview. If you go uphill, you remember your headlamp, layers, uphill pass, and lots of fun. Woo! Woo! Just a reminder, the X Games is at Buttermilk this week. Starts on Friday. Lots of extreme sports over there. Lots of extreme uphilling over here at Tiehack.
Take a break.
To the top of Tiehack. It is a beautiful full moon night. We're about to switch out our skis, probably taking the view for a little bit. The moon is so bright that you can see the moon bells out there, you can see Highlands. It's just all amazing. Aspen's hottest club tonight is Tiehack. We've got folks making fondue over here. We've got beautiful views. See, the moon is so bright. It's a beautiful night to be in good company on skis up here. Thanks so much for dropping in with us. It's a beautiful night. Great day to have a great day as always.